Want to do a really quick review of these generic garage door opener replacements. I was a little bit skeptical at first because this is our garage door opener and it's pretty old. The brand of it is a Genie brand, so I wasn't sure if I needed a specific garage door opener, and yeah, again, it's pretty old. It's an old system. So I just thought I would give it a try because we had one garage door opener and it was, the button was worn on it, and we had 3 vehicles and it was just a pain. So this comes in a pack of 2. It has a little clip that's going to go over the visor, and it programmed to just even the old garage door opener. It is programmed for new ones as well, but I was pleasantly surprised that it works on our older models. So we pushed this button here, and I guess you can see there it's closing. And again, to open it. The range on it is also really good. And so, you can open it when you're coming down the road. You can close it as you're leaving the house. You don't have to be right next to it as well. So very durable, a lot smaller, a lot more compact than the one that we had as well. And pleasantly surprised that it is compatible with older and newer models. So I hope this helped.